Hi everyone. Struggling with tenses? You are not alone. But today I will teach you all 12 English tenses with examples. So simple, you will remember them forever. Stick around. This is the only tense guide you will ever need. There are 12 tenses: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous, past simple, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous, future simple, future continuous, future perfect, future perfect continuous. Let's have a look at them one by one. Present tense. Present tense again has got four forms: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Present simple. I walk. I is the subject plus work is the verb. So subject plus first form of verb. Let's have a look at the usage for facts, habits, schedules. The sun rises in the east is a fact. He reads every day is a habit. The train leaves at 6 p.m. That's a schedule. Present continuous. For example, I am working. I is the subject, am to be plus verb and ing. Okay, this is the structure of the present continuous. Subject plus to be plus verb, first form plus ing. Usage: something happening right now. For example, I am making this video, you are watching this video, I am talking to you. Something happening around this time, not exactly this second. I am working on a new project. Okay, I'm working on a project, but not at this very second. Something planned for the near future. He is flying to London next week. With this tense, action is happening as we speak. Next one, we have got present perfect tense. Present perfect connects the past with the present. It shows that something happened before and it may still be true or relevant now. For example, I have worked. So structure is simple: subject plus has, have plus past participle. Usage: action that happened at an unspecified time in the past. For example, I have visited Paris. Action that started in the past and continues now, often with for or since. We have known each other for a long time. Recent actions with present results. For example, they have just arrived. It means they are here now, they have arrived. Okay. Next one, we have got present perfect continuous tense. It shows that an action started in the past and is still happening now, or has recently stopped but the effect is still felt. For example, I have been working. Sentence structure is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb, first form, and ing. Usage: action started in the past and is still happening now. For example, I have been reading for 2 hours. It means I started reading 2 hours ago, but I am still reading. Actions just stopped but can still see the result. For example, the ground is wet, it has been raining. The rain itself has stopped, but the ground is wet. So we can say that action just stopped, but we can see the result. Often used with for, since, recently, lately. I have been learning English for 6 months. Okay. She has been feeling better lately. I hope you understood the concept. Let's move on. Next, we have got past tense. Again, past has got four forms: past simple, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. Let's have a look at them one by one. First one is past simple. Past simple is used to talk about actions or events that happened in the past and are now finished. Structure example, let's have a look. I worked. Subject plus past simple. Okay. Usage. Completed actions in the past. I watched a movie yesterday. A series of past actions. I woke up, brushed my teeth, and went to work. Facts or situations in the past. She worked at the company for 10 years. Common time words, for example, yesterday, last week, in 2020, 2 days ago, when I was a child. So, all these example we will use past simple. For example, we met in 2016. I lived in London when I was a child. Okay, next we have got past continuous. Past continuous describes an action that was happening at a specific time in the past. It can also show that something was in progress when another action happened. I was working. This is the simple tense I'm showing you so that you can know the sentence structure. Subject plus was were plus verb ing. Usage. Action happening at a specific time in the past. Yesterday morning she was cooking. Interrupted actions. Long action plus short action. I was reading when the phone rang. Two actions happening at the same time or common time words while, when, at 5 o'clock, yesterday, at this time, all day, last night. I was studying while my brother was sleeping. Next, we have got past perfect, shows that one action happened before another action in the past. It's like past of the past. I had worked. Subject plus had plus past participle. Usage, an action completed before another past action. By the time he came, I had cleaned the house. Show order of two past actions. They had finished work before it started raining. Common time words, before, after, by the time, already. They left before I had finished. Next one, past perfect continuous. It shows that an action was happening for some time before another action or time in the past. It focuses on the duration of the action before the past movements. I had been working. Subject plus had been plus verb ing. Usage. Action ongoing for some time before another past action. He had been living in Pakistan before he moved to London. Emphasizing duration before past events, they were happy because they had been practicing hard. Common time words for since before. He had been working since morning before the meeting. Next part, future tense. Future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous. Future simple is used to talk about actions that will happen in the future. I will work, subject plus will plus verb. Usage, predictions, beliefs about the future. It will rain tomorrow. Spontaneous decision made at the moment of speaking. We won't go to the party. Promises, I will help you with your homework. Offers and requests, I will carry your bags, that's an offer. Will you marry me? That's a request. Will you do that for me? That's a request. Future facts and certainties, the meeting will start at 9 p.m. Next, future simple versus be going to. These two forms we are using in our sentences. So I thought let's clear out the differences between them and in which situation we use future simple and in which situation we use be going to. Future simple will, uh, for the future simple we use for unplanned decision. For example, I will answer the phone. So we don't know when the phone will ring or what will happen, but then we just said, I will answer the phone. That's an unplanned decision. Be going to for planned decision. For example, I am going to travel next month. Future simple for predictions without evidence. For example, he will win the race. And be going to for the prediction with evidence. Look at those clouds, it's going to rain. Next, we have got future continuous. Future continuous used to show that an action will be happening at a specific time in future. For example, I will be working. The structure is subject plus will be plus verb ing. Usage. An action in progress at a specific time in future. That this time tomorrow I'll be flying to Paris. Politely asking about someone's plan. Will you be using the car tonight? Predicting the present, guessing what's happening now. Don't call her, she will be sleeping. Fixed future arrangement like be going to but more formal. The team will be working on the project all week. Parallel future actions. While you will be cooking, I will be setting the table. Next, we have got future perfect. I will have worked. Structure is simple subject plus will have plus past participle. Future perfect used to show that an action will be completed before a certain time in the future. Usage. Completed before a future time. By 5 p.m., I will have finished my report. It means the report will be done before 5 p.m. Duration before a future moment. With by the time. By the time you arrive, we will have cleaned the house. It means cleaning will be completed before your arrival. Achievements in the future. Scientists will have discovered a cure by 2030. Assumption about past, present inference. For example, she is late, she will have missed the train. I assume this already happened. Next, future perfect continuous. I will have been working. Structure is subject plus will have been plus verb, first verb plus ing. Future perfect continuous tense used to show that an action will have been happening for a period of time before a point in the future. For example, duration before a future moment. By next month, I will have been working here for 5 years. It has not been completed 5 years, but the duration will be completed in a new future. Cause of a future result. Her eyes will be tired because she will have been staring at screens all day. Temporary situation leading to a future point. They will have been traveling for 24 hours by the time they arrive. Hello again, my friends. You did it. You have just learned all 12 tenses in English, step by step. That's amazing. Take your time to review them. Repeat the video if you need. Practice speaking out loud. Even one sentence a day helps you grow. On this channel, we go slow so you can grow. So keep listening, repeating, and shadowing with me here on ClarityMix. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss more clear and helpful English videos. I'm so proud of you. Keep learning, keep speaking. See you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.